We continue to walk a little further until we reach an old convenience store. It looks more like a junkyard than a store. Cigarette butts, old car parts, chicken bones, and empty wild Irish rose and Jim Beam bottles are scattered about. On the side of the store is a huge weeping willow tree and several tree stumps where a few men are gathered shooting craps and drinking. Miss B's posture changes and her eyes narrow. "Hey, B, what you no good?" one of the men yells at her. She ignores him. Her walking picks up pace. "I see you ain't speaking today. That's fine. You know I'm still gonna hit that one these days." The other men laugh before fixing their eyes on me. "Your friend's ass is as big as yours. Maybe I'll ask him for a piece if you won't give me none." More laughter. Miss B stops walking and turns to face the catcaller. "Walter Lee Drone, don't let your mouth start something your ass can't finish. You wish you were man enough to handle all of this, but last I heard your buzzsaw working more like a handsaw. And you keep your mouth off of my friend. He's more man than you'll ever be and more woman than you'll ever get. That's from Car Wash. Check yourself before you wreck yourself." The men buckle over in laughter at their friend's humiliation, while Walter gives Miss B the middle finger. Miss B takes off down the road, marching like nobody's business. "Oh my God, who are those awful men?" I ask, glad that we are now out of their sight. "A necessary evil," she hisses back. "What does that mean?" After a pause, her tone changes. "They mostly harmless. They just have to be put in their place from time to time, especially Walter Lee. Once he gets deep in that bottle, he loses his mind. Anyway, those are the drone boys, and they hang out by the tree every day until around midday and then fly off somewhere in search of trouble." I nod my head, suggesting that I understand what she means, but I don't. "They are a sad lot," she continues. "Most of them don't live to see their kids grow up. Rumor has it that there's some kind of curse on their family. Something about them missing a gene when they are conceived that keeps them from living past a certain age. I don't know if it's something folks made up to explain why most of them don't live past 21, or if there is something to it. Anyway, you stay away from them drones." I believe her. But I also know there's something more to their story. Hopefully I'll find out when I talk to some of her sisters.